99-cent store organic challenge. Here it is. Already found a few things. And we got some carrots, got some produce. You know, it's really actually optimistic. What do you think? Is it legit?
These? No, they have gelatin.
Coconut water party.
You ever had these?
No, I don't think so.
It's chocolate flavored coconut water. They're delicious.
Wait, let me see.
They're
Let's go.
so good. Oh, it has sugar in it.
You like it?
It's real cane sugar.
I like these.
Yeah, they're better. I like the chocolate though, so I'm gonna get one.
Okay. $1. I mean, can't go wrong. It's too much. The pasta alone, right? Wow. It's crazy. So $7, yeah, get you, you know, some nice carrots. We actually found some cereal. Everything was organic. I was pleasantly surprised, right? Yeah. So 99-cent store challenge, everybody. Get out there. What can you find? And make sure it's organic. So it's out there. We got coconut water. You know, we could have found some pasta sauce and really took it to that level, but just wanted to make a little video about, you know, how it's easy to eat organic. It's not expensive. Eat your vegetables.